So we're back again today looking at the MacBook Neo, but this time I've got it paired with something pretty special. This is the SIAVIALA 14-inch laptop screen extender. And it just goes to show how powerful the MacBook Neo, Apple's most affordable MacBook ever, really is. Now, if you haven't watched my review on just how good I found the MacBook Neo to be after using it for a full week, and I'm now several weeks in, still using it every single day, this laptop is far more powerful than even most people would expect it to be. And the SIAVIALA laptop extender that I have been testing just shows that and so much more. So this extender is a 1080p display. It's 14 inches, 16:9 aspect ratio, and it weighs less than 2 pounds, 1.94 pounds according to the paperwork. In the box, you get everything you need for setup. The screen extender itself has a second portion that clamps on top like a clamshell, but it contains a kickstand which swivels and rotates to get the perfect angle for the display to position it upright. But it also includes some adjustment pieces to lock and clamp onto the actual screen of your laptop. So it not only fits the MacBook Neo, but would fit any laptop between 13 and 16 inches in screen size because of this unique configuration. And while in the box, you do get a USB-C cable and an HDMI and USB-A cable set. The beauty of the MacBook Neo is it's got enough power in this very affordable form factor to power this entire display with just the one USB-C cable plugged in to the more powerful of the two USB-C ports on the Neo. No requirement for an external power adapter, nothing like that. This is perfect if you need a little bit more screen real estate and you want to be productive on the go. If you are an ultimate travel nomad or you work frequently in places like coffee shops, this is the ultimate companion to do just that. And thanks to how smart macOS is, as soon as you plug that one USB-C cable in to the MacBook Neo, it's automatically picked up by the OS and starts screen mirroring. You can then go into your system settings, you can change the aspect ratio, the color profile of the display, and the positioning, whether it's on the left or right side, plug it and get going. There's no setup whatsoever for a Mac. This is just the easiest secondary display you could imagine. Now, for any long-term viewers of the channel, you might remember I looked at a product similar to this many years ago when I had first started my channel, and that was the Desk Lab portable monitor. Slightly different in design and configuration, but feature-wise, there was a 4K version and a 1080p version of that Desk Lab portable monitor, and the 1080p version was $299 US, and it still is that same price today. Meanwhile, this display from SIAVIALA, 14-inch, 1080p display, just as bright, just as easy to use, just as compact and portable, and it's under $150 on Amazon right now. Feature for feature, the price difference is unbelievable between these two sets of portable displays. It really is pretty incredible what you can get at such a low price these days. And I know I'm using it here with the MacBook Neo, but because of the versatility of the connectivity of this laptop screen extender, you can use it with Windows, macOS, Linux, and you can even connect gaming consoles to it, albeit of course you would need to provide a separate power supply in that case, because obviously your gaming consoles cannot self-power themselves like a laptop can. But all in all, it's super versatile. And especially if you were looking at the MacBook Neo, but you felt, maybe the screen is just a little bit too small, or you feel like you are going to always have it paired with a standalone monitor and you would want to buy one of those anyways, you could skip that, get this 14-inch laptop extender, and probably save a couple $100 using this display as an external monitor instead of a dedicated external monitor. As always though, it's not perfect. There's a couple of quirks with this laptop screen extender that you should know about if you're considering buying one. The first is the physical design of this laptop extender. Simply due to the length of the display section, especially when paired with a smaller laptop like the Neo, I almost wish there was a second kickstand on the back portion where the display is, not just on the side that mounts to the laptop. Because while the laptop side is very stable, I do find the display side a little bit rickety if you bump into it. But with that being said, when I connected the extender screen to my larger 15-inch MacBook Air, that wobbliness and ricketiness that I noticed when connected to the Neo completely went away. It was far more stable. So perhaps it's just something you're going to experience on these smaller sized laptop footprints. Secondly, there's an adjustable, extendable grip that secures around the outside frame of the screen of the laptop to hold it in place. And this is really good. However, when you are actually packing up this laptop extender, this part still protrudes outwards a little bit. And it does make me a little nervous, although it does say it should fold down. It does also warn you to make sure it's pushed down before you close the display up for transport. Over time, this could create a potential friction or weak or damage point on the display itself. And lastly, while it's great that you can add 14 inches of extra display with this extender, and you can even use it in both portrait and landscape orientation if you wish, brightness is so-so. It could be a little bit brighter. Again, maybe this is a limitation due to the 1 cable power supply to it. And additionally, there's just one quite small speaker on this laptop screen extender, which means if you choose to enable it, which is very easy to do inside your system settings, it's pretty quiet. So while the speakers on the Neo are okay, if you're using this with a laptop that doesn't have the best speakers and you're hoping to maybe be able to get a little bit more juice out of your audio, this is not going to accomplish that for you. But again, under 150 bucks, the SIAVIALA laptop extender is pretty impressive for $149.99. And while there's a couple of quirks with the design, and I wish maybe it could get a little bit brighter, I mean, after all, if you're going all in on the productivity lifestyle with a dual display setup, you're probably going to want a little bit more added benefit than just screen real estate. I think it's a pretty wicked buy all in all. But as always, what do you guys think about the SIAVIALA laptop extender? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have something similar? Or do you think it's pointless? Or maybe a little bit overkill for you coffee shop warriors to be walking around with an extra 14-inch display in your bag? Looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say down in the comments below as always. And thank you to the team at SIAVIALA for sending this product over to me to test out and review for you guys here on the channel. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to check it out on Amazon and get the best price available on it today at the top of the video description, and I'll pin it in a comment down below as well. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.